Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change monthly rent from smart pricing to fixed price on Neighbor app. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get extra $50 towards your first paycheck. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several tabs at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on Listings. Here, you will see your listings. To proceed, tap on the listed space you wish to change the monthly rent. On this screen, you will see an option for pricing. Tap on Pricing. As you can see, the current selection is Smart Pricing. To change, tap on I want a fixed monthly price. Then on the field provided, enter the new price you wish to set. After entering, tap on Save and Exit. That's how you change monthly rent from smart pricing to fixed price on Neighbor app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.